Adobe Premiere Pro 101, Premiere Pro 2021 vs 2022. Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 is known as of Adobe's professional video editing software. Here's an overview of Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. Features: 1. Video editing * Premiere Pro offers a comprehensive set of video editing tools for cutting, trimming, and arranging clips on the timeline. 2. Color correction and grading *. It includes advanced color correction and grading tools for adjusting the color and tone of your footage to achieve the desired look. 3. Audio editing * Premiere Pro allows for precise audio editing, including adjusting levels, adding effects, and working with multiple audio tracks. 4. Motion graphics templates * Users can import and customize motion graphics templates created in Adobe After Effects directly within Premiere Pro. 5. Integration with Adobe Creative Cloud * Premiere Pro seamlessly integrates with other Adobe software like After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition, allowing for a smooth workflow between applications. 6. Collaboration tools * Adobe offers collaboration features such as team projects, which allow multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. 7. GPU acceleration * Premiere Pro takes advantage of GPU acceleration for faster rendering and playback of high-resolution footage and effects. New features in 2021. 1. Speech-to-text * Premiere Pro 2021 introduced a new speech-to-text feature powered by Adobe Sensei, allowing users to automatically generate captions and subtitles from spoken dialogue in their videos. 2. Scene edit detection * This feature utilizes machine learning to automatically detect and create edits at scene changes in your footage, making it easier to cut long clips into shorter segments. 3. Performance improvements * Adobe continues to optimize Premiere Pro for better performance, including faster encoding and decoding of footage, improved playback performance, and more stable playback of high-resolution media. System requirements: Premiere Pro 2021 is available for both Windows and Mac OS operating systems. Minimum system requirements include a multi-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, 16 GB recommended, and a dedicated GPU for optimal performance. Alternatives: Final Cut Pro X * Apple's professional video editing software for Mac OS, known for its intuitive interface and powerful editing features. DaVinci Resolve * a professional video editing and color grading software available for both Windows and Mac OS, offering a free version with robust features. Avid Media Composer * a long-standing industry-standard video editing software used in film and television production, known for its powerful editing and collaboration features. Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 remains a popular choice among professional video editors for its comprehensive feature set, integration with other Adobe software, and frequent updates with new capabilities and performance improvements.